All right, recall we said something's a function if you don't have any the same x's go to two different y's, or basically no repeating x's. So I'm gonna look at B and D. Are there any repeating x's? No, and no. Now a one-to-one function is a function such that there's no repeating x's and no repeating y's. So on the first one, is there a repeating y? All right, this one there is no repeating y. So is this one inverse? Yes. So yes, you could say no repeating x or y. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to find the inverse. So how do you find the inverse? First off, the notation for the inverse is f to the negative 1 power of x. And what you do to find the inverse is you just switch these. So it'd be 5, negative 1, 3, 1, 0, 3, and then negative 3, 5. And why does this work? It's because if you flip them, they would be a function. Okay, you wouldn't have any repeating x's. The same x is going to two different y's. Now on D, there's no repeating x's, but there are repeating y's. So there's repeating y's. We've got repeating y's. So this is not a 1-to-1 function. So if it's not 1-to-1, that means the inverse does not exist. Okay, so the inverse does not exist. Now on this one, yeah, we don't need to do the graph. So there's not a 1-to-1 function, so you don't draw out the inverse because the inverse function does not exist.